Okay, so this time let's talk about lots of variation when it comes to Poodle. I'm gonna teach you how to create different kinds of Poodle. One balloon Poodle. Okay. So, okay, let me show you our first Poodle, and this Poodle is what we call standard Poodle. So of course we need to create 2-inch bubble here for the mouth of our Poodle, and create a 1-inch bubble here, or 1.5, let's say, just like that. Now create another 1.5-inch bubble here, and pull this nostril here so that it will add another character for our Poodle. And when you do that, it gives help to lengthen the mouth of our Poodle. That's the main thing. Now we need to put the mouth around through here on these two bubbles that we created. Okay, so just push it like this. Push it through, and we have an instant standard Poodle. Next step would be the neck, and the next step, of course, the front legs of our Poodle. Create 2-inch for the leg and 1-inch for the neck, and create another 2-inch for the second front legs. So we have the front leg, and create the body, create another leg, and the last leg. Now, like we did many times, we always do the Poodle tail. So by twisting this and by pinching this part and pushing the air to go up, to transfer all the air here, from here to here, by pushing or squeezing this. Okay, when you squeeze all the way like this, it will move all the air all the way up like this. So we created the standard Poodle like this. So this is the standard.